Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome to Indian Chef Recipe. Today we are going to learn how to make street style banana milkshake. Bananas are rich source of potassium which can help lower blood pressure and also reduces the risk of heart disease. So now let's see the ingredients of banana milkshake. Take bananas, remove the skin and cut into roundels. 100 grams of sugar. 250 ml of milk. 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. 6 to 7 ice cubes. Now let's see the preparation of street style banana milkshake. Take a mixie jar, add bananas, sugar, ice cubes, vanilla essence, milk. Now close the lid and blend it together. Here is our banana milkshake ready. So now let's pour it in a glass. And serve chilled. If you want, you can add ice cubes from top and you can serve this. Hope you all guys enjoyed by watching our street style banana milkshake. Please try this and give us a feedback. Thanks for watching our channel. Bye. Please do subscribe.